Alright guys, back again with another video. Here we have the new Apple Card. Came with this little fancy little packaging here, arrived by FedEx this morning. So let's get right into it and get this opened up. I wanted to say that I saw a lot of people that are not even interested in the Apple Card and making videos because there are other credit cards out there that are better than the actual Apple Card. But if you have an iPhone, you know, it's a pretty good reason alone just to get the Apple Card. Let's keep in mind that it is a credit card and a rewards credit card at that. So you would get cash back just for using it on things that you were going to purchase anyway. So just like any other credit card, if you use it responsibly, you use the card and then pay your balance back immediately once you use the card, then you wouldn't have to worry about finance charges, late fees, or any of those things just by using the card responsibly. So with that being said, you use the card on things you would normally pay for anyway, pay the money back to the card, you get free cash money just like any other rewards card. So if you own an iPhone, why not add the Apple Card? For the activation process, I've already been using the Apple Card because we added it to the wallet the minute that we did the setup process, the sign up process, and once it came back, we added the card to our wallet and we were already using it. So it says here to activate your card, wake your iPhone and hold it here. So let's do that now. We hold the card there, and as you can see, it's asking us to activate the card. We're going to click activate, of course. All right, your card is ready. Use your card everywhere MasterCard is accepted. You can see transaction details and make payments in wallet to the customer's agreement. All right, we hit continue, and that's that. We're gonna allow while we're using the app. All right, and as you can see, we already been using the card a little bit here. We have, you know, a $46.55 balance. And you can actually pay now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make that payment, and we won't incur any charges. No interest charges, no finance charges, no late fees, just by going ahead and paying back the $46.55. As you can see, by using the card, we already have $1.93 already free money just for using the Apple credit card. So there you have it, guys. This is the Apple Card made out of titanium. It doesn't have anything on it. You see, Goldman Sachs on the back, no numbers at all. Your name there in the chip, the Apple logo. This is the Apple Card. And for those that are making videos with advice on why you should not get the Apple Card and you don't even have the Apple Card, I'm sure they can get one if they want one, but they're just choosing to make videos because they don't want to run their credit or do whatever process it is, you know, to get the cards to actually do a real review on it. But guys, thanks as always for watching my videos. Until next time, see you in the next video.